Today we are taking the stock plastic bumper off of our Jeep Gladiator Rubicon because it's plastic and it sucks. We're gonna be building an aluminum stubby bumper that can also hold a winch. Now we're gonna take our winch plate that we got from Synergy Manufacturing and we're gonna mock this thing up and see how it fits. So we got our winch bumper in with our mock-up hardware. My current plan is to kind of have this in two pieces where the winch plate will be its own unit and the actual bumper itself will bolt on over this. So we're gonna cut some aluminum plate, come up, bend it down, and then bend it down somewhere in here to kind of line up with the skid plate down here. So so stage one of the bumper build is complete. We took our 1/4-inch aluminum plate, made a nice little bumper with the steel winch plate underneath that we got from Synergy. And we TIG welded this whole thing up and it's looking pretty good so far. Next up, gonna add some tubing, gonna get the right hardware. I'm gonna paint this thing. If you aren't subscribed, make sure you go down below and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you guys can stay up to date with all my latest videos. Also, if you'd like to support my channel further, I have an Amazon link down below that you guys can use at no additional cost. And if you guys are interested, there's also a Patreon link down below. So it's been a couple days since I actually made the bumper, and another addition that I did off camera was I made these shackle mounts on the front. I just cut up some plate, drilled some holes, made my own. I like to make my own parts whenever possible, save money, plus I enjoy the process of actually, you know, making them. So the only thing I didn't build was the winch plate, but you know, the whole aluminum shell, the tube up on top. I think I might end up mounting a light bar underneath here or on top. I don't know, haven't decided yet. The only other thing is once I actually get my winch is just to cut out a slot for the fairlead, but other than that, this thing's ready to go.